Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can make a vertical video in Canva. So let's get started. So when you first log in, click on this icon, video. Okay, after clicking on this icon, you'll see some presets for a video. Today we're working on a vertical video, so we will click on this. And now you see we are on a blank canvas. Click on uploads. And here you will see there are three tabs: images, videos, and audio. We will click on videos, and here you will see I already have a bunch of videos here, but I will show you how you can upload a video. All you need to do is just drag and drop your video. As soon as you drop it, you'll see a progress bar here and here. To bring a video on the canvas, all you have to do, either you can click, hold and drag it, or just click on it. Once the video is here, it will play automatically. Okay, just click anywhere to stop it. Now you can click on the video and make it, scale it to fit your whole window. Alright, right there. Now to bring on the next clip, simply click on the plus icon here, add page, and again same thing, we'll click on the next video, it'll come up here, we'll drag these handles and fill the screen. Now we will do that for any numbers of videos we want, but I will be including only 4 clips here. Now you see I have all my 4 videos here. Now if you look here, altogether our video is about 53 seconds long. Alright, now let's say you want the video to be maybe 30 seconds or so. Let's say you want to trim this clip. Now there's 2 ways to do that. You can bring your cursor to the edge and you see, right, this marker, this something, this will pop up, and if you click and drag, right, and bring it right here onto the playhead, where the playhead is, it will trim that, and now this whole clip is about 9 seconds long. Other way is, let's say you want the clip to end here, right at this spot. Now if you right click and you click split page, or you can press S, that's a keyboard shortcut. Okay, you will click on split page and it will split the video right where the playhead is, and this one we will select and press delete. That part is deleted. Okay, same thing here, we can bring our mouse right over here, hold and drag it to the right to make it shorter, and if you notice it snaps on where the playhead is. If you want exactly to start where the playhead is, where this line is, right, you can move it here and then do that right there, it will end there. Okay, now each of these clips have their own sound in the back. I will bring the playhead to the beginning, press play, and you can hear it, right? I will click on the video, I will click on the volume, and I will bring it all the way down, or just click on mute, right? That will take out the sound of the clip. If I play it, there's no sound. Now sometimes you don't see these options here, you probably see 3 dots here. Just click on it and it will open. Okay, and now we will do same thing to the second video, make the sound mute, third video mute, and the fourth clip mute. We will bring our own music here. Before we do that, maybe you want to add transitions. So what we'll do, if you bring your mouse between the clips, this will pop up, right? You can either add another page just like that, If you want to insert another clip in there, I would delete that, or you click on the bottom icon, right, this one, and it says add transition, right? Now we will click on that, and we have these options, right? If we take our mouse on any of these, it will show a preview what kind of transition it is, and you will simply just click on it and done. Once you select it, you get a little bit of more options here. Maybe you want to change the direction, right? Right now it's coming from the right. Maybe you want to make it from the left, up, down, whatever. You have some stuff here. If you like it the way it is, leave it. Now let's go to the next one, and next one is automatically same thing is applied, but we can simply just click on it and we can change, right? Maybe you just want to dissolve. And now let's add music in the background. Before we bring the audio here, make sure the playhead all the way to the front. So let's click on the audio. Here is your whole track, and just grab and drag, okay? And wherever you like the music to start from, stop from, position it, click somewhere else, and your music will stop and start from that point. Okay, now if you want to decrease the volume, okay, you can right click on the audio, go to volume. You can also click on these three buttons, these three things, whatever it is, and click on volume and drag this slider down to whatever, like 65%, 67, whatever, and it will decrease the volume. And now if we play it, okay. Now let's say if you wanted this song to stop somewhere here, just simply drag it from the end and bring it wherever you want to drop it. Now just click on the other song and it will come down there. Simply same thing, drag and choose your starting point, stop point, and let go, click somewhere else. Now if you see here is a dead spot, meaning there's no audio there. Alright, so let's see if we can just, there we go. No, right, just grab and drag it, it'll snap. And right now, to make this transition a little better, if we click on any of them, it opens up a bit, and if we try to drag it so it kind of overlaps one another, watch what happens. It'll just move one at the bottom, one other one at the top. So, select one of the audio, go to audio effect and fade in, fade out. So fade in, we will, let's say we'll make it a second. And you can also just type it here, 1, right? Fade in, so in point, we fading the in point. It'll gradually start from 0 and then go up. And then on the bottom song, we'll say fade out, okay, to 1 second. And on the bottom one will fade out. If we zoom in, and you kind of see the fade, see that little white, right? That's the fade. So we'll just match these a little bit closer. So this fading in, this fading out. And now if we play it, right? And we can also make them longer, right? Make the fades longer. Let's try 2 seconds fading in. And for this song, we'll say 2 second fade out. Line them up a little bit. And let's see how that sounds. Right, this one is better. And Same thing for this song. We'll make the volume same as this one. Let's see, if you go to volume, this one is at 67, so we'll put this one at 67 too. So the volume, both of the songs will be same when we listen to it. And let's put the end at the end here, line them up. And maybe for this song we want to fade out too, right? 1 second as the full video ends. And maybe for first song we want to fade in as the video starts, right? So let's see, if we go all the way to the front, right? And then if you go all the way back. Now other stuff you can do, maybe you want to bring a logo or your picture on top of this, right? And here are my logos, right? With the black, white and transparent background. Make sure all your pictures and everything will be under images. Videos under videos, audios under audio, images under images. So let's choose this one. I will just put it in a corner here, make it smaller. There's one problem. As soon as this clip ends and next clip starts, this will disappear. Watch. Okay. Now I can copy this by just simply clicking on it and then pressing Command C, right? And then going on the next clip, and I will just press Command V or Control V on PC, and it'll come there, right? It still looks sort of weird going away then coming again. Okay, you can do that. So better way to do it, if you want any type of graphic display on the entire video or 28 seconds, whatever the length is, right? We will download this clip, right? So make sure everything is the way you want, the music, transitions, and the length of the clips and everything. And we will click over here, share, all right, and we will click on download, and we will click on download. Once it's done downloading, I'll show you the next step. Here we are, we're back. I have uploaded the video, 28 seconds. This is the video we created, blank canvas. I will click on the video, bring it here, right, line it up. Okay, and we will go to images, click on our logo, resize it, place it wherever you like, and now we have our logo throughout the whole video. And now let's say you want to insert a text, click on the text, and let's just click on one of these. All right, adjust it the way you like, place it where you want, change the text. Okay, and now we will change the color of the text. And what you can do, right, since we can't really see it, place it wherever you want. We'll go back to elements, pick one of these shapes. Okay, here we go, adjust it, change the color to white maybe, and we will bring it right here. Now sometimes maybe what happens is you won't see the text, right? Maybe it's behind this white bar. All you need to do is just right click it and layers, and just move it, like bring it forward, or change the layer, front or back, whatever. If I click on the text and I go to layers, I say send backward, see it disappears, right? It's behind this white bar. And now if I just click on the white bar, go to layers and say send backward, now we have our text on the top. I have another tutorial which goes in great details about text and formatting. I'll leave it in the description below, and also you'll see a card pop up. And now if we are done, we'll just simply same thing, click on share, download again, and we will have our final video downloaded into your download folder. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.